All right, good morning. It is Monday, January 5th, 2026. Happy New Year. We hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas and holiday season and a nice New Year. It was just some really nice time off for me. Spent a lot more time with my family than I usually get to, my immediate family, that is. This is the first year in a while we didn't go back to Minnesota, and so obviously family was missed up north, but really relaxing to have Christmas in Charleston for the first time in a very long time. But yeah, just a really nice, relaxing time for me and my family. So we certainly hope that you and your family enjoyed a little bit of time off as well. And I'm excited to kick off the new year here. So 2026 coming in here, obviously kind of starting off with some new geopolitical headlines. All right, so I'm sure many of you have seen Venezuelan leader Maduro captured, brought back to the United States. I will let the geopolitical experts kind of lay out how the dominoes fall from here in that regard. I will comment from an economic standpoint, as expected, not much of a macroeconomic response. All right, and again, that should come as no surprise. And this is, anytime there's a geopolitical event, it's always good just to kind of ask yourself the question, like, will companies make less money, right? If you think about like what stock ownership is, or the security of a bond, like a corporate bond, like anytime there's a geopolitical event, like, will companies make less money because of event X? Okay, you fill in the blank. All right, so you look at a situation like this with Venezuela, next to 0% of influence in the U.S. economy. Okay, so again, very muted response. Here this morning, equity and bond futures both a little bit higher. The U.S. dollar is a little bit stronger. So it seems to be, again, from a macroeconomic perspective, kind of a non-event. But outside of that, to kick off the new year, our team's going to be working on a number of items in the office. Those of you that have been working with us for a while know, this is where we start to build what we call our 1099 like summary letter. All right, so that's kind of like the one-page summary that we give you. So your CPA, your tax preparer, knows what 1099s they can expect from the custodians for the accounts that you have through our office. All right, so we're going to be working on the 1099 summary letter. Also, those of you that are subject to required minimum distributions in 2026, we will also be building that letter, so you know exactly how much Uncle Sam will be knocking for this year. We'll be going over that RMD strategy if we're going to be using QCDs and things in the upcoming spring review. And then just last on my list, I still have a number of you who I'm going to be making some CPA recommendations for. All right, so let me know if you want to be added to that list. A handful of you have asked to either work with a CPA for the first time, or perhaps making a change there. So I plan on sending those this week. So with that being said, questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Again, Happy New Year, and we look forward to seeing many of you ahead here in 2026. Have a great week. Thanks.